Gabriel got his new Jeep. Yeah.
Sit down on the seat. Put the seatbelt on. Here. Sit on the seat. And then seatbelt. Yeah. This. You want to drive the Jeep? Press this. Foot.
Yeah?
Push. Push. No.
Push and hold it.
Push.
Whoa.
Hold on to the steering wheel. Push.
Push with your foot.
Push with your foot. Whoa.
And steer at the same time. Can you hold the steering wheel?
Hold the wheel. Hold the wheel. Okay, now push.
You got it. Is that fun? All right. Whoa. Yeah, we got to move the stuff. Get everything out the way. Hold the steering wheel and steer like Mommy and Papa.
Yeah, drive like Papa.
Hold your foot down.
Okay, don't drive like Papa. Drive like Mommy.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm right here.
We're here. Come on, drive. You're having fun. Oh, that was a long one. Yeah? Oh, we got lots of things to drive over here. Of course, now's the time that he decides that Oh, no. We played obstacle course. Oh, he's learning reverse now.
Okay. Pull it up. Now pull this up. Look.
See, look at the bar.
Okay. Now press. Press the
pedal.
That's the pedal. Press it. Okay. Turn the wheel. Press the pedal. Yeah. Press the pedal. You gotta do both. Press the pedal. Hold the wheel. Whoa. All right.
I think we might have to get him a helmet for this thing until he learns to drive. Well, we're going to run over our bicycle now.
Okay, go.
All right.
You can go.
Let's kick the ball out of the way.
No Jeep. All right.
Okay, what's fun? Wow, two cousins going for a ride.
Okay, now you can back it up. Put it reverse.
You gotta look to your back, see where you're going. Huh?
Now go forward. Come this way.
Change the gear.
That's okay.